Step-by-step guide to earning money with ChatGPT app. Get familiar with ChatGPT. Before you start using ChatGPT to make money, you can learn more about ChatGPT by visiting OpenAI's website and reading through their documentation. Identify your skills and niches. Next, you need to identify your skills and niches. For example, if you're a content creator, you can use ChatGPT to generate new ideas and write articles more efficiently. If you're a business owner, you can use ChatGPT to answer customer questions and provide support. Find projects that fit your skills and niches. Once you've identified your skills and niches, it's time to start looking for projects that fit your profile. You can find projects on freelance websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or even on LinkedIn. Start earning with ChatGPT. Once you've secured a project, it's time to start using ChatGPT to make money.